Welcome back, Wingin-It. It's Saturday morning and we're in here. We're going to get some epoxy on the MG today. Alan's doing research by the looks of it. This is probably the only bit of the trade that I still enjoy, masking up.
It's the fucking worst bit about it.
No, it's the best bit.
I fucking hate it.
Some people have called me OCD with my masking before. I like to call it anal. But basically just trying to get behind all the tiny little holes. There's plenty of them everywhere. All up the side where the chromes go. And if we can't get behind them, I'm sticking a little bit on the outside. But the way I mask, I wrap everything individually, cut a hole, tape it so it sticks nice and flat to it in case any overspray does get in it, but it won't. Wrapped all individually so that can stay there. We're going to wrap that, wrap the dash, cover these holes up, lay a bit on the floor, jam some paper in these holes, stop the dirt coming out. But once everything's all wrapped up, I'm going to back mask everything and then cover the whole thing up with a sheet. And then when it's primed, rubbed down, we've only got to change the top bit of sheet and save a bit of time. It takes a bit longer now, but it saves time next time. All this stone chip from yesterday can be masked up. Stone chipped underneath this, so that's all sexy. Probably when we come to paint it, I'll stick it up on axle stands, take the wheels off, so I'll get it up nice and high so it can get under the seals. But yeah, this I'm probably going to lay another bit over this, a bit neater. Cover all the walls up, jam some paper in it, stop it all flapping about. Back mask around here, cover that in, wrap the exhaust. Yeah, and then back mask around all the lower bit, drop a bit of paper around, and that's what we're going to do.
Who the best out here? I don't give a fuck and I don't fucking care.
Bring it back to the flow, give a dap to get broke, cause the party's so damn fishy.
Chelsea, no lagging. I get to move and skirt past you.
Right, it's all ready to rock at last. Took us, I don't know, 4 hours to mask up, something like that. A few paddies here and there with the tape coming off from the arches, but we got there. That's about it. Show you around it quickly. All the threads all taped up. doodles. Front panel, everything's off or loosened off, so I'll get some epoxy under it. Same round here. Right, show you this epoxy. Got it knocked up already because we're in a rush. HB Body 989 epoxy. That's what I put on it yesterday. Ferro betal rust treatment. Left it overnight. Don't know if it's a converter or treat, whatever the difference. That's what we're putting on. Ready, big boy?
Mm-hmm.
Leave your bum alone. Right, it's had two nice coats on it now. Like a numpty, I thinned it out too much and we've got to cut a little runs here and there, but it don't matter because it's got to be rubbed down anyway. And the beauty of doing the epoxy and then flattening it before the 2-pack is you get to see what the repairs are like twice in effect. This time and then with 2-pack primer, so it gives you an extra chance to rectify them. Noticed a few big pinholes that can be sorted out, but yeah, I'm happy now that it's not red and yellow and crappy and flaky. We've loaded that up, give that a good block on Monday. We've seen what bits are covered in silicons. Front panel smothered in silicons, so that needs an extra good clean. And yeah, that's us. Gonna whack the booth up to about 50. Give it 10 minutes while I have a growler. Clean the guns out. Go home and have a lovely weekend. Look forward to next week on it.